Delta Flat Top Changing Table with Casters by Delta Children is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. The flat top changing table with wheels from Delta Children grants you the freedom to easily change and dress your baby. A convenient changing station, this versatile table has a flat back with slated detailing, and a streamlined profile that effortlessly pairs with any item. Outfitted with 2 fixed shelves to conveniently store your child's essential items, the flat top changing table also features 4 casters on the bottom, so you can roll the unit from one end of the room to the other. For your baby's safety, the included changing pad with safety strap keeps your little one secure, even when they won't stay still. Delta Children was founded around the idea of making safe, high-quality nursery furniture affordable for all families. That's why all Delta Children changing tables are JPMA certified, and are rigorously tested to meet or exceed all industry safety standards. Changing table includes 2 fixed shelf for open storage, strong and sturdy wood construction. Tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed government and ASTM standards, easy assembly. Changing pad with safety strap included JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM. Assemble dimensions: 38, 25W by 18, 5D by 40H.